Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Muthulakshmi, a UX UI designer and a design mentor, currently based in Abu Dhabi. So today I'm going to share something that is really close to my heart, and how did I become a UX UI designer without having a traditional design degree. So, if you're someone who's wondering how to break into this field without having such a design degree, or you're wondering how to enter into this field without having relevant experience, you're a career switcher. So, let me tell you deeply about this in this video. Let's dive in. I started my career journey pursuing an MBA and not a design degree. So during those times, always wanted to do something more than the routine. So I wanted to solve something creatively. So I was interested in those fields, like creative fields, and I started exploring a lot of ways how I could do something unique and solve the problems creatively. So that led me to UX design, and I started exploring how I could uh, be disciplined to learn by myself without any guidance. So I did not have any guidance, I did self learning. So and I also enrolled myself in Google UX design course offered by Coursera. So that was one helpful thing that I got in that way I could understand the entire UX journey, like what is the process and how I could build the case studies in order to complete my portfolio, and how I can start applying for many companies, how do I approach a lot of people. So that's how my journey started. But learning wasn't enough. I applied tons of internships, but I did not get a reply mail also. And I even cold messaged a lot of people in LinkedIn, and I also actively built my network. Like I started contributing to so much to design. Like I started attending a lot of events, and I networked with a lot of designers as well. So by that way I also built my network, and some time later my persistence got paid off. That means I got my first internship at Ogre. It was 2 months internship as a part of MBA program. So there I started learning from the seniors, I got guidance from them. So bit of the fundamentals and what are the principles in UI design I got to an understanding. And then being the first person in my batch, I got a project, that is a project in UX design at a product startup called Prodigal. So there I got an opportunity to work for 6 months, and I was responsible for the entire scalable design system and the UI things, and as well as I was taking part in the marketing as well. Like I was responsible for the social media marketing. So as a result I could understand entirely about a particular product, and getting into a product startup was a good thing because I could understand completely end to end from scratch, because I was designing, I was marketing, and I was doing entirely the complete thing. So I got a better idea of how the companies will actually work and how this role will actually fit in. After Predical, I joined Lollipop Design Studio, India's top design agency. So there I got an opportunity to work in different domains like B2B property management, e-commerce, healthcare, and even news applications. So I could understand and work on different devices, different platforms for different users, what will be the user needs. So understanding these were crucial during this stage of my career. And I also mentored a lot of designers in Lollipop Academy. This was the seed for the next phase of my career. After marriage, I relocated to Abu Dhabi, and I didn't stop designing or growing. I started mentoring UX UI designers remotely. So I actively mentor the designers, and my everyday routine looks like I create lesson plans, breaking down complex design concepts, assigning practical UX UI tasks, and giving constructive feedback, guiding the students to build real case studies and job ready portfolios. So till now I've helped around 40 plus students in institute setting. Independently I have mentored several to land their first UX UI jobs. So if you are thinking, can I be a designer without a design degree? The answer is yes. So what matters more is curiosity, consistency, and the willingness to learn. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So if you are starting out or stuck somewhere in your design process, and even if it's portfolio, you can please feel free to reach out to me in the mentorship session, which is mentioned in the description box. So until next time, keep designing with purpose. Bye.